Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Solitaire King. To begin, you will need one standard 52-card deck. The goal is to move all cards to 4 foundation piles, building them up by suit from ace to king. First, deal 52 cards into 10 tableau columns, with the top card of each column face up. The remaining 24 cards form the stock pile, face down, ready for use. Moving cards is central to Solitaire King. You can move a single card or a sequence of cards from one tableau column to another. The rule is simple. The card being moved must be one rank lower and of an alternating color than the card it is placed upon. For example, a red 5 can go on a black 6. Empty tableau columns are special. Only a king or a sequence beginning with a king can fill them. Kings play a unique role in Solitaire King, as they are the only cards that can start a new tableau column once one becomes empty. If you run out of moves in the tableau, you can draw from the stock pile. You turn over 3 cards at a time, and only the top card is available for play. Each card successfully moved to a foundation pile contributes 10 points to your score, aiming for a high total. The ultimate goal is to win by moving all 52 cards from the tableau and stock pile to the 4 foundation piles, building them up by suit. A key strategy is to always prioritize exposing hidden cards in the tableau first, as this opens up more potential moves. Also, be careful not to move cards to the foundation too quickly if they could be used to unlock other cards in the tableau, which is a common mistake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.